हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे द चॉइस ऑफ अ प्रोफेशन इंग्लिश ऐसे के बारे में। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। एम इन लाइफ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इट शोज व्हाट मैन वांट्स फ्रॉम लाइफ। एम गाइड्स द अनगाइडेड, trains the untrained, and makes life a purposeful blessing of God. People adopt aims according to their own taste and temperaments. In my opinion, the best are those who earn the pleasure of God and the prayers of the people. Planning is the essence of life. It helps to achieve the set targets. To choose a career in life is very important. There are many professions, so the choice of a career becomes very difficult. However, one is able to pick the best. The same happened to me when I wanted to choose a career for myself. I had many professions before me, like medical, law and teaching. After long consideration, I decided that teaching was the most suitable profession for me. So I have decided to be a professor of English. Teaching is the profession of prophets. It helps to acquire up-to-date knowledge. It is a creative profession. It helps the teachers to create new ideas, new methods, new techniques of learning and sharing knowledge. It provides joy and satisfaction. Professors live a happy life as they teach and train the young. The company of youth keeps them young and cheerful. Books are my best companions. I feel it most comfortable to spend my spare time in the company of books. I want to dedicate my life to learning. I wish to gain and impart knowledge. As a teacher, I can do this easily. The life of a teacher is not very hard. A teacher enjoys proper rest to work properly. He has spare time to improve and gain knowledge. I always enjoy college life very much. It is free and relaxed, so I have decided to become a professor of English. A teacher is the best friend of his students. They are also the ideals of students. He can make his students good human beings and useful members of society. तो दोस्तों, ये था इंग्लिश ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।